Way forward, examining social phenomena with a gendered lens. The goal, the very first goal, and the main goal of this course has been to introduce you to the interdisciplinary nature of gender studies and give an understanding about the contemporary challenges associated with gender representation in our society. Feminism and its diverse schools of thought were discussed. An understanding was developed of gender equality, equity, and their relationship with human rights discourse highlighted in international human rights conventions and documents. Approaches on development and gender and women's political participation have also been examined. Our aim has been to develop the capacity to connect gender issues in your personal or local situation with the broader social environment. A wider range of topics has been discussed. Our ultimate goal is to be able to examine social phenomena using a gender lens. What does it imply, using a gender lens? It means that we should be able to see the role of gender stereotypes and gender-related cultural traditions, societal norms, beliefs, and prejudices in different social phenomena. These phenomena may include, but are not limited to, violence, education, healthcare, issues of equality and equity, political participation, decision-making, governance, barriers to women's achievement, social activism, media, and much more than that. We should keep in mind that we should be able to understand that the way things happen may be because of the way gender roles are fixed, allocated, and carried out in a society. People's status in a society would have been different had their gender been different. मर्द अगर मर्द ना होते तो शायद उनका मुआशरे में जो मुकाम है वो मुख्तलिफ होता, और औरतें अगर औरत की बजाय मर्द होती तो उनका मुकाम भी शायद मुआशरे में मुख्तलिफ होता. ये हमें समझने की ज़रूरत है. We have to see that some people suffer or they may suffer in the society because of their gender, and some may be enjoying an advantage because of their gender. However, one must be clear at the end of this course, one should be clear about the fact that supporting a cause or people of a certain gender, that is women for example, does not mean that one should become biased or prejudiced against the other gender. So when we support the women's cause, that does not mean that we should be against men. We are talking about people and how people's gender affects their life and their status in the society. No matter what happens, we have to be, as students of gender studies, as students of a social science, we have to be objective and unbiased in our approach in examining any social phenomena.